It was another gorgeous day today. I know, so much so I cannot wear sleeves, and I don't take that lightly.
I know, it's a great day. Layers will be needed later, but this afternoon, just gorgeous. Everybody out and about getting to taste some of that warm up today. And the numbers averaging at 80 degrees today in Poway. These are the official daytime highs for today for some parts of the county. In Escondido, actually 82 degrees. In Chula Vista, 78, just like downtown San Diego. Coastal communities like Encinitas also in the upper 70s today. So what a day. The warm up, of course, will continue for one more day, but it'll be just a few degrees cooler tomorrow. So most likely in the upper 70s for areas that reached over 80 degrees today. 72 degrees right now in San Diego. The winds are coming out of the northwest at 9 miles per hour. And check that out. We get a view of the water now at the current conditions. 66 degrees Coronado, 69 in Oceanside. It's getting a little bumpy out there with the winds picking up, and they will become stronger overnight. Gusty Santa Ana winds already averaging between 20-30 miles per hour. You can see those arrows indicating the direction of the wind coming out of the east. It is an easterly wind pattern because of high pressure in place, bringing those winds as they wrap around the ridge of high pressure. It's going to continue producing easterly winds tomorrow. Then a shift will begin by the end of the day. A wind advisory already issued, and it will be in effect until 6 p.m. on Friday for mountains, foothills, and inland communities. Wind gusts could reach up to 50, perhaps even 60 miles per hour. And as we take a look at the conditions overnight, you can see those winds will stretch into areas like Vista, also into Poway, so it gets pretty windy. And typically this model is a little bit on the conservative side. It keeps the winds lighter than they really are, so expect those winds to be stronger than the numbers you saw. Again, average winds 30-50 miles per hour, stronger winds up to 60 miles per hour in those typically windy areas. The weekend will bring a chance for rain, especially on Sunday, but on Saturday it may get a little bit misty with clouds increasing throughout the day. In our rain futurecast, it doesn't look like much throughout the day on Saturday. And to be honest, over the weekend, we're not going to see a whole lot of rainfall. It is going to be light. It'll average on the hundredths of an inch, but we'll have another opportunity next week on Valentine's Day. In between the storms, a dry Monday with 61 degrees, morning clouds giving way to sunshine. Inland communities will be in the low 70s tomorrow, about 10 degrees cooler from Friday to Saturday. Next week, averaging in the 50s on Valentine's Day, as that next system actually brings colder air. In the mountains, snow levels will be dropping, potentially down to 4,000 feet. But since the storm is moisture starved, we're not going to see a lot of snow, but we'll see the potential for snow. On Sunday in the desert, 65 degrees, but for tomorrow, a high of 70 under mostly sunny skies. Lindsay?
Angelica.